How you guys doing? Apa kabar and selamat siang. Yes, I'm heading to a restaurant to meet my wife and my son Marvel. Should be around here somewhere. I think this one. It's Campo Saga. Look, let's check this place out. I think my wife is already here. Yep, the car is already here. I think my wife is already here. I think this is a new place. I haven't seen this before. Yeah. Pretty cool space. Pretty cool restaurant. They have a pool, playground. Look. Guys, the price is incredibly cheap. Look, check this out. Look. None of them is above $7. None of them. Look, chicken burrito only 36. That means only $2. What else? Nasi goreng 37, another $2. Pizza. Look, chicken carbonara, California roll, Japanese food. What else? Steak. Even steak only 75. Look, steak is 75. That means like $5. And I ordered this beef burger, 49. It's only like $34 something.
34?
Waffle, what?
34, $3.
Yeah, $3 for the burger. Look, it's pretty cheap and it's a pet friendly restaurant. By the way, in this video I'm gonna talk about the multiple entry visa. So one visa you can in and out Indonesia for a year. But let's check the food first, then we talk about the visa, right? Check this out, man. They have eggs, beef, another beef, and all the lettuce, tomato, ketchup, etc. Seems great. Let me check. Let me try. I don't know if I can put it all in my mouth. Great. And it only cost me $3. $3 for a burger like this. Look. The name of the place is Campo Saga. Campo Saga. Just Google it or find the Instagram. And I'm gonna eat now. I'm gonna talk about the multiple entry pizza later on after I eat. Right? Thanks, Marcus. It's raining again. It's rainy season in Bali. It's rainy again. But normally it's only like what? An hour raining, 2 hours top. Then you can still enjoy Bali the rest of the day. Yes. So watch this video until the end. My name is Oki Mista. I'm your host in Bali. Let's talk about visa multiple entry. Yo, welcome to What's Up Bali channel, the #1 channel for you to know how to travel to Bali, how to go to Bali, how to stay in Bali and condition in Bali now. If you're interested on those, consider to subscribe. Guys, my dear Bali lovers around the world. Lately, we have many updates regarding staying permit in Bali. We got 9 Southeast Asian countries that entitled to get free visa, 30 days free visa, so they can just go straight to the immigration when they arrive at the airport in Bali. No need visa, but cannot stay more than 30 days. 30 days and then they have to go. And then we got 86 countries around the world that can get visa on arrival at the airport in Bali. Well, as a matter of fact, almost at international airport all over Indonesia. Jakarta, Surabaya, Medan, etc. And this is the list. You can pause this video if you want to see if your country is in it. The price of the visa on arrival is 500,000 Indonesian rupiah. So it's more or less like 35 US dollars. And that to stay 30 days. Later on, you can extend for another 30 days at the immigration office. So when you arrive, you go to the visa on arrival counter buy the visa there for 500,000 Indonesian rupiah or 35 US dollars, and then go to the immigration to get the little sticker in your passport which mention how long that you can stay in Indonesia. Your little sticker, just like this. And 46 countries from that 86 countries, as I mentioned in my previous video, can get the visa on arrival online. Yes, before you leave your country, you can buy the visa on arrival online with your laptop or with your handphones. You pay it and then print it, and then you bring that print out to the immigration. So when you arrive at the airport, just go straight to the immigration counter and then show the print out of your visa. Then again, you got a little sticker that mention how long you can stay with that visa. But I heard, and also I received some comments and also emails saying that they have problem, like the paying button is not appear or waiting for confirmation, etc. No worries about that. It is still new, maybe the system is not really stable enough, but you can always get the visa at the airport like before. So it doesn't mean that 46 countries only can get the visa online. They can always get it offline, I mean at the airport. And this visa on arrival only allow you to stay for 60 days. First got 30 days and then you extend for another 30 days. That's it. 60 days with the visa on arrival. And for you who is a citizen of country that's not on that list, which not on that visa on arrival list, or if you want to stay more than 60 days, or maybe you want to apply a kitas later on, like working kitas, investment kitas, retirement kitas, freelance visa, etc. You have to apply the B211A visa from your country. So before you leave your country, you have to apply the B211A visa. Let's say 1 month before your departure, because the B211A visa takes like 10 or 14 business days. And you apply it not to the embassy, but to the visa agency. Like me, for instance. If you want me to do your B211A visa, send me email here. Send me email and I'll do your B211A visa. And those is single entry visa. Okay, the visa on arrival, the B211A visa is a single entry visa, which means once you use it, you cannot use it anymore. That's it. But now, is available the business visa multiple entry. Okay, but it's business visa. Well, it can be used also for tourism. And this visa is not working visa. Even the title is business visa, it doesn't mean you can do business here. You only allowed to do meeting or do some inspection or something. You cannot do business. Even the name is business visa, right? Just like with the 11A visa, it's also business visa. So don't get confused when hearing word of business. Okay, now, so it is available now. Business visa multiple entry means you can back and forth in and out Indonesia for multiple of time within a year. But listen up, but you cannot stay each time more than 60 days and then you have to go. So let's say you come here Christmas holiday in Bali for 30 days and then you go back to your country, and then you come back here, let's say on Easter, for another 30 days and then you go back to your country, and then during summer holiday, let's say you come back to Bali for 60 days and then back to your country. That's possible. So you can in and out Indonesia many times as you like, but each time you're here only 60 days, no more. But nice, right? So you don't have to back and forth apply the visa. And even more better, this business visa multiple entry can be applied onshore and offshore, which means you can apply from your country, which we call it offshore, and also onshore. Let's say you're already here with the B211 visa and you want to apply this business visa multiple entry, it's possible. So let's say you're already here with the B211 visa, you think that you need to in and out Indonesia many times, so instead of back and forth applying the B211 visa, with this visa you can in and out the country many times as you want. But as I said, there's a downside of it. Each time you stay in Indonesia, you cannot stay more than 60 days. Well, in the meantime, if it's a B211 visa, you can stay here for many times, as long as you extend every 60 days and renew it every 180 days. But that's it. Once you out, then you cannot get in. You have to reapply again. That if B211 visa. With this, you can in and out many times you like. So now, how to get this business visa multiple entry? What are the documents required and how much? First, you have to contact the visa agency, just like me, not to the embassy. Either you're still in your country or you're already here in Bali. Contact me. My email. Then, you have to make sure that your passport still valid at least for 18 months and still have 4 blank pages in your passport. And then give me a photo of your passport and then health insurance. If you don't have one, down in description I mentioned safety wings and an American travel insurance which is also cover COVID. check them out. Just click the link, and then you have to send me the photo of your vaccine certificate, minimum 2 doses. And then for onshore application, if you're already here in Bali with the B12 visa, you have to photo the little sticker in your passport which mention the expiring dates of your visa, your B12 visa. And the process will be between 10 to 14 business days, just like the process the B12 visa. Now let's talk about the price. Of course, the most important thing, right? The price based on current exchange rate is about 750 US dollars. That includes sponsor fee and the visa fee. These 750 US dollars allow you to have multiple entry as many as you want for 1 year. 750 US dollars. So my opinion, in my personal opinion, if you can get visa on arrival, better use visa on arrival, because if you only can stay here for 60 days, just like visa on arrival, right? And then you have to go and back again, it's only 35 US dollars. Much cheaper with the visa on arrival. But if you cannot get visa on arrival, so that means you have to use the B12 visa. If you think you only need to go out in and out less than 3 times, better still use the B12 visa. But if you think that you're gonna in and out Indonesia within 1 year more than 4 times, then better choose this business visa multiple entry. 750? Who knows? It will get less and less later on. So don't forget to share this video so more and more people know about these updates about this multiple entry visa. Hit that subscribe button for those who haven't, and smash the notification bell so you won't miss any update from me regarding how to go to Bali, how to travel to Bali, how to stay in Bali, and condition in Bali now, which is raining every day. See you in the island of God. My name is Misa, signing off. Stay safe.